If you're typing on your iPhone keyboard, but the digits, the numbers, the letters are a bit too small and you would like to make them larger, there are a number of different things you can do that. Now let's open up the Messages app here and you can see here, this is the default look and feel of the keyboard. And sometimes it's a bit too small. You have some options to make it bigger. Let's head into the Settings app here. So open up the Settings app on your iPhone. And then we're going to scroll down until you find the option that says Display and Brightness, and just tap on that. Now from here, you can always scroll down here and you can see at the very bottom is Display Zoom. Just tap on that and you can switch this over to larger text. Now, if I go over here, you'll be able to see it makes the keyboard a little bit larger, but not significantly larger. And if you wanted something significantly larger, there are two other options. One option is to tilt your phone in landscape mode. You'll be able to see it basically expands the horizontal package of that entire keyboard to be a lot wider so that you can have a lot more room for the keys. That's one option, but say you don't necessarily want to do that, you want to be able to type like this. The other option you have is to head into the App Store here, and you can just type in large keyboard. And you can see there are a couple different options you have. For instance, this app called Big Keys Keyboard, you can see it doesn't get great reviews, but it could work entirely well for you. You can see as I scroll through here, it allows the either numbers or letters to be a lot larger than just the default. So you could try out a third-party keyboard, just download the app. It looks like it's completely free. And then from there, you can expand the keyboard keys to be a bit bigger and the numbers and the letters, etc.